Hey, just a few updates on this website as I can't send this as she's looking at the laptop. So let's start from the top. Instead of email and phone, please put icons. Then this needs to be updated so it doesn't overlap the search. This is good. This is all good. All good. Testimonials, okay. This is good. Then when we go to the mobile, it's okay. Maybe we should, no, just keep it as it is. But please make this update, which is these buttons on the bottom are falling. You will be able to see that. You can see how they are on each mobile. It's not working. So we have to have that completed. And I'll send it to the client. This is good. Let me just check something. Street match. Okay. Okay, so that should be it. Thanks.